Hello, fellow traders. Just a real quick video today to point out a very unusual candlestick pattern that we see very seldom. But the reason I want to point it out to you is because it is the strongest candlestick pattern there is, and it's called the kicker signal. Those of you who study candlestick charting will recognize it, where two candles move in opposite directions with nearly identical starting points. So on Tuesday, December 10th, the market started down, and on Wednesday, December 11th, market started up, but started up at about exactly the same place. The kicker signal is the most powerful candlestick signal there is. So take heed, guys. Nevertheless, there are a lot of gaps down below. So keep your powder dry, be cautious, trade safely, use lots of patience. I'm Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.